Push-ups. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's beginner HIIT workout. We have 5 exercises, 40 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. Nice and easy, guys. Just follow along with me. There are no other breaks between the exercises. So those 3 rounds, we continue the same rest interval. So we're gonna get started in about 10 seconds. We're doing a squat to a lunge. We're using dumbbells for this. If you don't wanna use dumbbells on some of these exercises, you don't have to. For reference, I'm using 20s, so let's go. Squat, back up, lunge forward, back up, squat, there you go, and lunge. And keep it up, we got 30 more seconds. Squat, up, lunge, back, squat, up, let's go, keep moving, halfway down with the interval, lunge, squat, and up, 10 seconds left, keep it up with me, down, up, lunge, up, last squat, and up, and last lunge, and that's round number 1, all right. For this one, use single dumbbell. We're gonna do a pull up, a push up, then we're gonna pull the dumbbell through to the other side. All right, get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and want it to look like this. Push up, walk the arms forward a little bit so you can pull the dumbbell through, walking back, and give me a push up. Walking forward a little bit, give yourself a little bit of room, pull the dumbbell through, walking back, nice push-up position, and up. Arms up, pull through, arms back, nice push-up, keep those elbows in. And we got 10 seconds left. Pull through, arms back, and there we go. Let's do one more. Pull through, and let's just finish up with the push-up. Boom, done. All right, now stay here on the ground, guys. We're going to do seated shoulder presses. Feel free to use one or both of your dumbbells. Legs on the ground. Lean back a little bit. This is gonna work your shoulders, your core, and your chest. Ready? Let's go. 1. I don't have to count today. I have a clock. Perfect. If it gets too heavy, you could switch to one dumbbell. You could just do this and just keep pressing. One dumbbell is probably a better idea for me anyway. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Put the weights down carefully. Come back up. All right, this one we're going to do 3 RDLs and then 3 bent over rows. All right. On the RDLs, keep the dumbbells as close to your body as you can. So I'll do it like this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Right. Down, up, down, just kind of drag the dumbbell, and up, down, and up. Now just down, and give me rows. 1, 2, and 3. And let's go for the RDLs. Ready? 1, and up. 2, and up. You should feel this in your hamstrings. Stick those butts back, and up, down, and 3 rows. Ready? 1, squeeze on top, 2, and 3. We have a couple seconds left, so might as well call this one. All right. Last exercise of the first set. Get down on the ground. We're gonna do a renegade row and then a push-up. So you're gonna roll one side, roll the other side, and then give me a push-up. Nice and easy. Let me set up over here so you can see me. 3, 2, 1. Again, your push-up position. Nice wide stance, get good balance. Row, row, and a push-up. If you can't do the push-up, don't do the push-up. Just do the rows. Row, row, push-up if you can. Row, row, and a push-up. Give me 1, 2, and a push-up. Beautiful. 1, keep it up. 2, and a push-up. Less than 10 seconds left. Let's go. 1, 2, and a push-up. And we're done with round number 1. It's going nice and easy and smooth. All right, guys, back to the start. So we're doing squat, lunge once again. If you want to do a backward lunge, do that. I'm going to continue with the forward lunge, however. All right, 5 seconds. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Squat and coming back up. And a lunge. Beautiful. And give me a squat. And a lunge on the other side. Keep it up. Just continue to move, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. One more time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Back to our down on the ground. We're doing the pull-throughs. Grab that dumbbell. Got 10 seconds left. Exercise number 2 of set number 2. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Push-up position, and let's go. Push up. Get those hands out of the way. So walk up. Hold that core. Pull it through. Walk back. Push up. Walk up. Pull it through. Walk back. And push up. I understand this is a push-up heavy workout today, but that's okay. Once again, if you can't do the push-ups here, or if you get too tired, don't do the push-ups. Just pull the weights through without the push-up. 2, 1, and we're done. All right, seated press. Well, as I found out, 2 dumbbells are too heavy for me, so I'm switching to 1 dumbbell. Like I said, no shame here, guys. If you can't lift both dumbbells, do 1. I'm filming this, and then guess what? And I'm doing 1. Let's go. 1. If you want to make it more challenging, you can lift your legs up, but this is enough of a core workout for me. And upper chest and shoulders. Keep going. Less than 30 seconds left. 20 seconds. Keep it up. Keep pushing. 1. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. And we're relaxing. All right. Now we're moving on to our RDL and back row. Looks like we're going to get 2 sets of these. 3 RDLs, 3 rolls, 2 times through. If we continue in the same pace we're continuing before. We are not trying to rush. We're trying not to get hurt and get a good workout in. 1, 2, 3. Come back up. Halfway down. Squeeze and 1. Squeeze and 2. Squeeze and 3. And back up. And let's go. 1. RDL. 2. Get those butts back. You should feel this in your hamstrings. Down. And let's go. 1, 2, 3. And up. And we got 2 seconds left. 1. And then we are calling it. All right. Renegade row to push up, guys. Get down on the ground. Set up. We have 10 seconds left, so catch your breath a little bit with me. This is set number 2. After this one, we only have 5 minutes left of working out and we are done. 2, 1, and let's go. Renegade row, boom. Renegade row on the other side, boom. And a push up. And up. Row, row. Push up. And there we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Less than 10 seconds left. Last round. 2, 3, and 4. All right, here we go. All right, guys, that was 2 rounds, 2 sets. We're back to the top. We're back to doing squats and lunges in about 10 seconds. Relax a little bit. Guys, I try to give you the best workout that I can in the shortest amount of time that I can. I understand we're all busy adults here, don't have a lot of time, so we do the best that we can with the time that we got. Let's squat and lunge and squat and lunge, squat and lunge. If you're new here, my squats are not beautiful, but you know what? I do the best that I can. Sometimes they're better, sometimes they're worse. Either way, I'm squatting. Stay with me. This is the last round. Less than 10 seconds left. Let's get one more lunge. Let's get one more squat. And might as well finish off this lunge now. And boom. All right. On the ground for the last time for this exercise. Push up pull throughs. Get the dumbbell ready. Got 10 seconds left. Heart rate's moving good. Breaking a little bit of sweat. And let's go. Ready? Push up. Walk the arms up a little bit. Give yourself room and pull through. Arms back. Push up. Walk it up a little bit. Give yourself room. Pull through. Walk back. Give me a nice push up. Walk up. You guys are doing great. Pull through and back. Down. Up. Walk him up. Pull it through. Walk him back. Down. Up. We got about 10 seconds left. Keep it up. You got this now. Come on. And up. Pull it through. Walk it back. Last push up. And done. All right, we're going to shoulder presses. Woo! Moving right along. Like I said, I'm down to the single dumbbell. Might have to pace myself a little bit. I almost did not make the last round. Once again, if you're new here, guys, my workouts are your workouts and vice versa. I go as hard as I can during these. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep going. Keep pushing. Don't give up on me. It's definitely the hardest part for me of this entire workout. 20 seconds left. Shoulders are burning. I'm gonna keep push through it. Push, push, push. Come on. 10 seconds left. Keep it up. We got this now. Three, 2, and that's it. All right, you guys. What am I talking? I can't even speak anymore because you guys have been here before. You know when I get tired, the English language goes out the door. All right, we got RDLs and our favorite rows. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good posture. And then down and up. Down, let it pull you a little bit. And up. Feel this in your hamstrings. Butts back. Down, up. And rows. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And back up. Let's go. 1. Hamstring pull. And come back up. Butt back. Come back up. Back. Lock it in as much as you can. And up. Down. And let's go. 1. Squeeze. 2. And squeeze. 3. And squeeze. And we are done with that one. All right. 1 exercise left. Piece of cake now. Renegade rows and push-ups. You guys ready to go? Got less than 10 seconds and only 40 seconds left of working out. No excuses now. Let's go. Row. Row. And a push-up. And up. Row. Row. Beautiful. Down and up. Give me a row. Give me a row. Give me a nice push-up. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 seconds. Let's do one more set. 2, 3, and 4. And that's enough, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. If you enjoyed this beginner-friendly HIIT workout, please do subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me see what other workouts you want to see. I am always open to suggestions. Give me a big like, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.